Let's see how to connect to the Exemys Telemetry Server. Open the PDL file sent by Exemys. Open the GRD configurator. Connect the device. Read the configuration. Click on GSM GPRS tab. General configuration. Choose the SIM card. Optionally set a PIN for the chip. Enable the connection GPRS. Go into the SIM card configuration. Enable the APN configuration. Choose a pre-install configuration requested from your operator. Click on Middleware tab. Enable the connection. Enter the GRD ID. Enter the password. Enter the IP or URL, in this case is m2m.exemys.com. Enter the port. Send the configuration. Click on Monitor. Here we can see the SIM card state, the GPRS connection state, and the connection to the telemetry server state. Connected. In any internet browser, go to the web address m2m.exemys.com. Enter the administrator name. Enter the password. Click on Login. Session completed. In the same way, we can log in a user type session. Go to the web address enter the username. Enter the password. Session completed.